Good evening, folks. This is Dr. Paul. Thank you very much for tuning to my channel today. Today, I want to answer this question about the risk of COVID 19 in patients taking blood pressure medications. And I am reading this study in New England Journal of Medicine, and I want to share these thoughts with you. Many people use ACE inhibitors like lisinopril, captopril, ramipril, and there are other medications like angiotensin receptor blockers, thiazide and diuretics, and those are like five classes of antihypertensive medications: ACE inhibitors, CRBs, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, and thiazide diuretics. Now, none were associated with a substantial increase in likelihood of COVID 19. How did this question even come? It comes from how this virus infects. So, this virus infects our body using angiotensin converting enzyme. So, that's why these antihypertensives, like the we use these ACE inhibitors and ARBs. So then the claim came they increased the risk of COVID 19 because COVID 19 uses ACE inhibitor system. But the studies are not proving it. And some people are not even taking ACE inhibitors, and that is not necessary. You say one of the studies in New England Journal of Medicine was done in New York City, and it has given us very good evidence that you can take your blood pressure medications without worrying about COVID 19. So, this study happened in New York City. The details, if you want to know the details, I will give you the details. It's a retrospective cohort study, and almost 12,000 patients were used to study the impact of COVID 19 in patients who are taking blood pressure medication. So, in this 12,594 patients, 5,894, that is 46% of patients, had COVID 19. And 1,002 had actually severe illness, like they had to be in ICU, they had to be ventilated, and some of them even died. And a total of 4,557 patients, or like 34% of patients from the data set, had hypertension. And then of them, 2,500 were COVID positive. So, using propensity score matched analysis, an absolute difference of at least 10 percentage points in the likelihood of a positive test with at least 97.5% certainty was ruled out for ACE inhibitors, ARBs, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, and thiazide diuretics. So, there is no substantial difference in risk of developing severe disease among patients taking any of the antihypertensive medications. Overall, the evidence from the study suggests that there are no direct adverse effects associated with ACE inhibitors, ARBs, or any of the other examined antihypertensive medications in the context of increasing risk of developing COVID 19. So don't worry. No matter which antihypertensive you are taking, you don't have to worry about COVID 19 because there is no risk. There is no increased risk of getting COVID 19 if you are taking COVID antihypertensive medications. And yes, this virus may be using angiotensin converting enzyme, and we are taking angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors like lisinopril, ramipril, captopril, enalapril to control our blood pressure. And that is where this myth started. But there is no evidence. We should always go by the evidence that there is any increased risk of COVID 19 in patients taking this class of medications or any other class of medications we take for high blood pressure. If you have any questions in this matter, please visit me in my medical center Dr. Paul's clinic, or you can also give me a call, 814-424-2095. My number 814-424-2095. I encourage you to get your blood pressure checked at least every 6 months, because blood pressure ignored can have very serious impact on your body, like causing strokes and cerebrovascular attacks and cardiovascular attacks, kidney damage, liver damage, blood vessel damage, eye damage, all sorts of problems. Basically, no organ is left untouched if you neglect your blood pressure management. So that is about today. If you have any questions, please leave comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.